Hello everyone, welcome back to BioVidyalaya. I hope you all are doing very well. In our previous video, we have discussed about self-MSC restriction. And at the end of that video, I had given one question that was CSIR NET June 2017 Part C question. Here we are going to discuss that question. So let's start. This is the question from CSIR NET June 2017. This is Part C question and I will suggest you to read this question at least 2 times. The question is, the major histocompatibility complex is referred to as the human leukocyte antigen HLA complex in humans and the H2 complex in mice. In an experiment, H2K mice were primed with the lymphocytic choriomeningitis virus LCMV to induce cytotoxic T lymphocytes specific for the virus. Spleen cells from this LCMV primed mouse were then added to target cells of the same, that means H2K, or the different H2 haplotypes, that means H2B, that were intracellularly radiolabeled with 51 chromium and either infected or not infected with LCMV. Cytotoxic T lymphocyte mediated killing of target cells were then measured by the release of 51 chromium into the culture supernatant. That means chromium release assay. In which of the following cells 51 chromium will be released into the culture supernatant? Options are option A H2K target cell, option B H2K LCMV infected target cells, option C H2B target cells, option D H2B LCMV infected target cells. Here in this question it is given that MSC of human is referred to as HLA and in mice it is referred to as H2. H2 complex in mice. Here in this experiment, H2K mice were infected with LCM virus. So that infected mice that will produce TC cell. That TC cell is specific for that LCM virus antigen. We know that function of T cell is to kill the virus infected cell. Okay. And after that, spleen cells containing TC cells were separated, that is added to H2K infected target cells and also to non-infected H2K target cells. And that also added to H2B, that is the another strain. That H2B is also infected and non-infected. And all these target cells are radio labeled with 51 chromium. Okay. What is our aim? We have to find which of the following cells will release chromium. Chromium will be released into the supernatant after the cell lysis. Okay. Cytotoxic T lymphocytes leads to the lysis of the target cells or the virus infected cell. As we know that function of cytotoxic T lymphocyte is to kill target cell. That means target cell means the virus infected cells. After the cell lysis, chromium in that cell will release out. Okay. And as we know that the T cell recognize only MSC presented antigens, that will not recognize any free antigens. And also there is some MSC restriction that we discussed in our previous video. What is meant by MSC restriction? That means T cell can interact with self-MSC complex and a foreign peptide bound to it. Here the foreign peptide is LCMV antigen or LCMV peptide. As we know that there is in target cell MSC is present. Okay, that will present foreign peptide to TC cell and TC cell recognize that foreign peptide, here LCMV peptide. Only if both MSC and antigens are matching. MSC matching means that MSC should be self-MSC. And antigen matching means that antigen should be LCMV antigen or LCMV peptide. Okay. Here in option A, H2K. Here this is not infected with LCM virus. Here option B, H2K LCMV infected target cells. Here the strain is H2K and also it is LCM infected target cells. Here H2B target cell. It is not infected with LCMV virus. This is H2B LCMV infected target cell. This is also infected target cells. Two non-infected target cell, one is H2K and one is H2B, and the two infected target cell, one is H2K and H2B. Okay. Note that this TC cell is derived from LCMV infected H2K strain. That's why this TC cell receptor, that means T cell receptor is specific for that LCMV antigen. Okay. Now we know that T cell recognize only self-MSC molecule and foreign peptide bound to it. Here this is H2K mice that is infected with LCM virus. After few days, spleen cells separated from this mice, that spleen cell containing TC cells. These TC cells are specific for LCM virus peptide. And after that we added that TC cells into the target cells of same or different strain. Different strain means H2B. Same strain means H2K. And that may be infected or non-infected cells. These are infected cells and these two are non-infected target cells. Here in this first experiment you can see that there is no cell lysis and that's why there is no chromium release. If there is no cell lysis means how that chromium will release out from that cell. Okay. Why there is no cell lysis? Because here MSC is self-MSC but there is no bounded antigen. This is non-infected cell. Here antigen is absent. That's why there is no cell lysis. In the second experiment, H2K LCM infected target cells. Here cell lysis is there and so chromium release is also there. Why here cell lysis? Here TC cell can recognize and kill that infected cells because this TC cell is specific for this particular antigen as well as the MSC is self-MSC because this TC cell is from H2K strain and this target cell is also H2K. That's why this is self-MSC and here virus peptide is LCM virus peptide. So both MSC and antigens are matching. That's why here TC cell can recognize and kill these target cells and that will release chromium. Next experiment H2B LCA infected target cell. Here you can see that there is no cell lysis, that's why there is no chromium release. Because This TC cell are not able to recognize this antigen. Even though this antigen is specific for T cell receptor, but this MSC is not self MSC. This is non-self MSC. This is H2B strain. This TC cell is from H2K strain and the target cell is H2B. That's why this is not self MSC. That's why this TC cell will not recognize this MSC bounded antigen. That's why there is no cell lysis and chromium release. Next is H2B target cells. Here this is not self MSC, as well as that antigen is also not present. That's why there is no cell lysis and no chromium release. So here H2K LCM infected target cell, here only the chromium release and cell lysis. Okay. In which of the following cells 51 chromium will be released into the culture supernatant? Options are option A, H2K target cell. This option is incorrect because here there is no antigen present. So this is incorrect. Option B, H2K LCMV infected target cells. This is correct because here both MSC and antigens are matching. So T cell can recognize MSC presented antigen and that will lead to the cell lysis and the chromium release. Oh, okay. So here this option is correct. And option C, H2B target cell. This is also incorrect because here antigen is not present. Also that MSC is not self. Option D, H2B LCMV infected target cells. This is also incorrect because this MSC is non-self MSC. Okay. Here antigen is present but MSC is non-self MSC. So this option is also incorrect. Here correct answer is option B, H2K LCMV infected target cells. Okay. So here I am winding up this video. If you like this video and find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Keep learning. Thank you.